day 2 of our Icelandic adventure. Yes, and we're blessed with the weather again. Today we're going to the south shore. Hopefully the weather will be a bit better there, but we'll see, changing so fast. Our tour started with a pickup from the stop near our hotel. The entire trip to Iceland was conveniently organized by Iceland Tours. They offer a variety of tour packages, multi-day bus tours, day tours, and even self-drive options. It really saves a lot of time, especially if it's your first visit to Iceland and you're feeling overwhelmed by all the choices. So if that sounds interesting to you, don't hesitate to check the link in the description. And finally, our official first stop, which was Skógafoss. The location is truly iconic, but currently you can't fly a drone there. Skógafoss has appeared in Game of Thrones, Vikings, and other movies. You can get really close to the waterfall if you like, but it's not that waterfall that you can walk behind. So we are at this famous waterfall. What are your impressions?
Oh, nice.
Nice. Did you hear nice? The best photo spots are a bit further away from the waterfall because if you can see, it's pretty, wet. So just find a spot over there and you'll be fine. We just made a bunch of good photos, hopefully. And you can also go up. There are stairs over there, and it takes about 20 minutes to 20 minutes according to our guide, but we are on a tight schedule, so we won't be doing that. Skógafoss is 60 meters tall and 25 meters wide, which makes it one of the largest waterfalls in Iceland. On sunny days, the waterfall's mist often creates full rainbows, sometimes even double rainbows. There is even a legend about Skógafoss which tells that a Viking settler hid a chest of gold behind the waterfall. Local folklore says a local boy once found the chest but only managed to grab a ring before it disappeared again. Our second stop was in Vík. Vík is the southernmost inhabited settlement on the Icelandic mainland, with just around 300 residents. It's famous for its black beaches and black crust pizza. Unlike many Icelandic villages, Vík is exposed to the open Atlantic Ocean without mountain ranges for wind or weather protection. This means it's usually a wet and windy spot. From the beach, you can get a stunning view of the dramatic basalt pillars rising from the ocean. The view is especially iconic at sunrise or sunset. Black Beach is super cool, very scenic. Yes, but mind then the waves are sometimes a bit high, so it's advisable not to come very close like those people, just for your own safety, because yeah. And over there is this, scenic spot with the cliffs. It's surprisingly empty because these are people like from our tour, but we got here, I think, among the first ones from our bus, and it was empty. Probably everybody went to eat first and then came here second, but we came here first and went to eat second. So yes, if you are coming with the bus, just go straight to the beach, because people tend to prioritize food over beaches, I guess. Unlike its famous neighbor, Víkurfjara is less crowded and offers a more peaceful experience. It's a great spot if you want a black beach experience without the tourist crowds. Vík and its surroundings have appeared in various productions, including Netflix's Katla and different parts of Star Wars. And finally, Reynisfjara. It is world famous for its jet black volcanic sand, towering basalt columns, and wild Atlantic waves. It's often listed among the top beaches in the world, despite not being tropical. The beach is known for its extremely dangerous waves, called sneaker waves. These can surge suddenly and pull people into the ocean. Sadly, fatalities have occurred. Visitors are strongly advised to stay far back from the wave line. But anyway, it's very much worth the visit. Just try to stay cautious and don't go close to the ocean. Striking geometric rock formations on the cliffs are basalt columns formed by cooling lava. They are a natural example of columnar jointing and resemble man-made architecture. Offshore, you'll see dramatic pointed rocks. According to legend, they are trolls who were turned to stone at sunrise while trying to drag a ship to shore. I hope you enjoyed our small trip to the South Shore. If so, don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up.